Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best kitchen blenders is probably one of the most versatile and essential appliances you can have in your culinary arsenal, transforming ingredients into everything from silky-smooth smoothies and creamy soups to robust sauces and perfectly crushed ice, making meal prep faster, healthier, and infinitely more creative for busy home cooks and health enthusiasts alike, truly revolutionizing how you approach your daily nutrition and gourmet aspirations. Number 5. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Say goodbye to lumpy chunks with this slim yet powerful immersion blender. It quickly mixes, blends, whisks, and froths, helping you create perfect smoothies, whipped cream, and more. It comes with 3 easy attachments for ultimate versatility. Use the blending shaft for shakes and soups, the frother for creamy milk, or the whisk for perfect cream and batter. Need extra power? Activate turbo mode for an instant boost. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures comfortable use, while the smart blade housing keeps splashes to a minimum. Using it is incredibly simple. Just attach your desired tool, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend away. You can easily adjust the speed to suit your needs. Cleaning up after use is a breeze. Its blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance incredibly simple. What we like? This immersion blender offers versatile blending with multiple attachments. Its powerful motor and turbo setting ensure smooth results for various tasks. If you're looking for a compact, multifunctional tool for quick daily blending and frothing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Ninja Kitchen System BL770. This is your ultimate kitchen companion. It blends, chops, crushes, and does so much more, combining a powerful blender and food processor in one. Equipped with a 1,500-watt, 2-horsepower motor, it effortlessly crushes ice and blends frozen fruit. This robust motor powers through tough ingredients, delivering professional results every time. Its XL 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches and entertaining. The total crushing blades turn ice into snow in seconds and handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. The 8-cup food processing bowl ensures consistent chopping, pureeing, and mixing. It even includes a dedicated dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. For personalized drinks, it comes with 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups and to-go lids. These are perfect for enjoying your shakes and smoothies anywhere. You can choose from 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. These options allow it to perfectly fit your recipe and meal prep needs. It features 4 unique blades, each optimized for specific tasks. From total crushing blades for large batches to pro extractor blades for single serve, and specialized blades for chopping and dough. What we like? This system is a true kitchen powerhouse, combining a blender and food processor. With its robust 1500W motor and specialized blades, it handles everything from crushing ice to mixing dough. If you need a versatile appliance for large batches, meal prep, and on-the-go drinks, this comprehensive system is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Secura Electric Coffee and Spice Grinder. Achieve your perfect grind with intuitive pulse control. Its transparent double lid lets you monitor texture in real time, ensuring precision and a clean kitchen. Enjoy total peace of mind with its bowl-activated safety lock, preventing accidental starts. Built-in overheat protection also safeguards the motor for lasting reliability. Equipped with premium stainless steel blades and a 200W motor, it delivers uniform results every time. It transforms beans and spices into consistent textures in seconds, preserving their natural flavors. The detachable, dishwasher-safe grinding bowl makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, integrated cord storage keeps your countertop organized and clutter-free. Whether it's fresh coffee beans or aromatic spices, this versatile grinder handles both with ease. It's designed for all your grinding needs. For best results, always use the inner lid and avoid overfilling. It's perfect for most ingredients, just steer clear of extremely hard foods like whole cinnamon sticks to protect its motor. What we like? This dedicated grinder excels at preparing fresh coffee and spices. Its removable, dishwasher-safe bowls make cleanup incredibly easy, and the pulse control ensures precise grinding. If you value fresh ingredients and hassle-free maintenance for your grinding needs, this is a smart pick. What people say. Number 2. Ganiza Immersion Blender 6-in-1 Handheld. This appliance features an upgraded full copper motor with 1100W peak power, enhancing mixing efficiency. Its heavy-duty design ensures exceptional longevity, lasting 3 times longer than common motors. With its patented dual-rod frothing system, it froths milk into creamy foam 6 times faster than others. The anti-scratch dual-rod whisk also whips eggs 4 times faster without damaging your bowls. Featuring a SUS 304 stainless steel 4-leaf blade, it effortlessly turns sauces and soups into velvety smooth textures. Its upgraded scratch-resistant blade guard protects your favorite pots and pans from damage. This versatile tool provides 15 adjustable speeds and a turbo boost for precise control and extra power. Its various included attachments make it easy to tackle a wide range of recipes efficiently. Its detachable design and hanging loop provide easy interchangeability and space-saving storage, ideal for small kitchens. Most of its parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring cleanup is a breeze. This comprehensive set includes a handheld blender, mixing beaker, chopper, whisk, frother, and puree masher. It meets all cooking needs and makes a great present for any occasion. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, providing a more comfortable and stable grip. Made from BPA-free materials, it ensures safety even when handling hot foods, offering a healthy cooking experience. What we like? This immersion blender stands out with its exceptional 1100W peak power and innovative dual-rod frothing system. It's a comprehensive 6-in-1 set designed for efficiency and longevity, even protecting your cookware. If you're a busy family needing a powerful, versatile, and durable hand blender that speeds up prep and protects your pots, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Immersion Blender 1100W 3-in-1 Handheld. Experience robust power with its 1100W full copper motor. It quickly and seamlessly blends ingredients, making delicious smoothies, soups, and sauces. This makes your kitchen time enjoyable and efficient. Adjust speed from low to high with just one touch using its pulse-activated trigger. This offers better control, reducing splattering and spillage. It also frees your hands for other tasks. This is an all-in-one kitchen essential, featuring a blending shaft, egg whisk, and milk frother. Easily detach and switch attachments with its easy-click design. It's ideal for quick meal prep and various kitchen needs. Its bell-shaped base and food-grade nylon blade guard protect your pots and pans from scratches. This extends the life of your kitchen tools. It also prevents splatter, keeping your kitchen clean. All its parts come apart and reassemble with ease, and they are dishwasher safe. The main body can be effortlessly cleaned by wiping it with a soft damp cloth. This ensures hassle-free maintenance. What we like? This powerful immersion blender offers an impressive 1100W motor for quick, smooth results. Its unique one-hand trigger speed control provides excellent precision and reduces splattering. If you prioritize ease of use, powerful blending, and want to protect your favorite pots and pans, this model offers great value. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.